children?
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to read the stories. Okay. We have our English learning kit and we have the story. Everybody got the story?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Rutika, which story do you got?
Sana's balloon.
Okay. Can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Start.
Sana's father bought her a balloon.
Very good.
Sana filled the balloon with air. The balloon flew high up.
Very
It
nice.
struck the ceiling. The air started coming out whoosh. The balloon fell down. Sana filled the balloon.
Filled the balloon, beta.
Filled the balloon with air again. The balloon flew high up. Again the air started coming out whoosh. Sana loved the sound. She made her papa listen to sound. Now papa filled the balloon with air. He wanted to tie a thread, but Sana did not want it to be tied. She wanted to listen to the whoosh sound again. Sana loved this sound.
Very nice. Vedant, which story do you got?
The fox and the crane.
Very good. Can you read the story?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read.
A fox and a crane were friends. One day the fox invited the crane for lunch. The fox served the food on a flat plate. The crane had a long beak. He could not eat. He was sad. The fox ate all the food. The crane was very angry.
Very good.
One day he invited the fox for lunch. He served food in a pot with a very long neck. The fox could not eat. The crane ate all the food. The crane asked, "How do you feel?" The fox said, "Sorry." They became friends again.
They became friends again. Very nice. So, Vedanti, which story do you got?
Two cats and the monkey.
Can you read the story?
Yes.
Okay, start reading.
One day two cats found a cake but wanted to eat the cake and they started to quarrel. A monkey saw them quarreling. He said, "I will help you." He broke the cake into two pieces. One piece was bigger than the other. The monkey said, "Let both the pieces be equal." So he ate some cake from the bigger piece. Now this piece became smaller than the other. So he ate again from the bigger piece. Now this piece became small. Again the monkey ate from the bigger piece. This went on and on till there was no cake left for the cats. Thus the monkey ate up the whole cake and ran away. The cats became sad and decided not to fight anymore. Thank you.
Very good. Now the final story. We will have Sanchita. Sanchita, which story do you got?
The bird and the ant.
Very good. Bird and the ant. Can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Start reading.
A bird was sitting on a tree near a stream. An ant was trying to cross the stream.
Very
The
good.
bird saw the ant. In intent to help the ant, the bird dropped a leaf on the water. The ant jumped onto the leaf. The ant crossed the stream. The ant said, "Thank you." One day a hunter came for hunting. He saw the bird and ate it. The ant saw the hunter and bit his foot. He screamed in pain. The bird had the cream and became alert. It saw the hunter and flew away.
Very nice. You all done very well.